Hey man, it's your boy Booster Fit checking in with another video. And I just stopped by to talk about YouTube, man. YouTube, okay? Now, before the year started, I had made up my mind that I was going to try to get this channel monetized right here. So I'm still on the road trying to get this channel monetized, but I just wanted to stop by to let you guys know that talking about YouTube and seeing other content creators make videos about YouTube is putting my videos out there in the algorithm, okay? And I can see it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not getting a whole lot of subscribers from it, but my watch time is way up than what I normally do. And that's a good thing when you have that watch time up, because I have the amount of subscribers that I need. Now it's all about the watch time for me. And I've seen a big spike in my watch time to start the year, okay? Like, I think I started at the end of December trying to get this channel monetized, and at the time I think I had like 920 something hours, and I think right now I'm at like 990 something, okay? Like, I seen a big jump in my watch time from making videos talking about YouTube, all right? So I'm assuming that, you know, they're trying to help the small channels out, and I can see a lot of small content creators making videos about YouTube, and that's a good thing because everybody's trying to get monetized, and that's the only way you can get monetized. Now, you may get lucky and go viral overnight, you know what I'm saying? And that will be a good thing. You know, I see a lot of people talking about the Dante guy. He went viral these past few weeks, but you know, if you look at his channel, he's had a video on his channel to get about 1 million views already. So I wouldn't just say, you know, it's easy. He's making it seem like it's so easy. Now, he did get a viral video, so yeah, it's going to be easy for him now, and everybody's going to watch his videos or whatnot, you know what I'm saying? But it's not like his channel was small like this channel right here, or somebody that's just started. So you can't look at that and be like, oh well, he did it, I can do it. Yeah, that may be true, but you have to look at it when you starting from scratch. You feel what I'm saying? It's a little bit different, and that's how you have to look at things, man. Everybody start from a different place in life, whether it's YouTube or anything else. Everybody start at a different place, okay? So don't look at someone else's channel and compare it to yours. Look at it for motivation. Yes, I looked at his channel. I looked at some of his videos, you know what I'm saying? Because I wanted to see what the hype was about, like see what everybody else is talking about, because so many content creators are popping up on my For You or my feed or whatever, and they're talking about the same thing. So everybody is looking at his videos and incorporating that into their content, which, you know, I'm on the train too, trying to, you know, get some of those views that everybody is getting. But at the same time, you have to look at the person's channel. Excuse me. Energy drink got me you know. But anyway, you have to look at people's channel and take it as motivation, because I see a lot of small channels out there, and I just been, you know, looking at those channels and see what they're doing, and, you know, trying to incorporate it in my channel. But I'm not comparing my channel to no one else's channel, because we all started at different places, okay? Some people on here, they have small channels, like smaller than mine. I think I have like 2,000 and some subscribers, but I see a lot of people on here with like 8, 9, 10,000 subscribers, you know, and they're just not getting monetized. You know what I'm saying? So don't look at someone else's success and try to compare it to yours, because like I said, he has a video on his channel that got like 1 million views already, but it was some years ago. But, you know, YouTube is pushing his videos out now. So you want to do the exact thing, man. When you find something that works, and if you notice, all his videos start with YouTube. YouTube is doing this, YouTube is doing that, YouTube is doing that. So that's something you could take from his videos and incorporate it to what you are doing with your videos, okay? So I'm on here trying to do the same thing. I see everybody else doing what they're doing, and I'm just gonna, you know, take a little bit from this person, a little bit from that person, and try to put it in my channel and see if I can make something go viral. You know, that's what it's all about at the end of the day. And it's not a sprint to the finish line, man. You got to understand that too. It's not a sprint. You know what I'm saying? It's a marathon. You feel me? I know that's a cliche, and people say it all the time, but I really do believe that it is a marathon, because if you look at my channel, I think I started this channel in 2019, I want to say, or 20, I think 2019. So you look at it, man, I have a lot of years that this channel wasn't monetized. When I first created the channel, it was going good. I was posting on a consistent basis, and then COVID hit, and I really just stopped posting. You know what I'm saying? And then I kind of tried to get back into it, but I really didn't have that same drive that I had when I first started the channel, because it was so hard to get the watch time. It was so hard to get my videos in the algorithm and have people see my videos, because there was a time that YouTube wasn't promoting those small channels. Okay, if you were been on YouTube for some years, you know YouTube wasn't posting no small. I mean, wasn't recommending no small channels like that, man. It was hard to get your videos seen, man. Like, they'll just bury your videos if you didn't have the SEO, if you didn't have the fancy thumbnails, if your videos wasn't edited good, if you didn't have a good camera, man, YouTube wasn't pushing your videos out like that, man. You know what I'm saying? And now I appreciate the Dante guy, because he's getting like smaller channels some eyes. You feel what I'm saying? Like, everybody is paying attention to the smaller channels. Everybody with small channels are making videos, okay? And the big YouTubers, they see that, hey man, this Dante guy, I think he got like 50,000 subscribers now. Like, he took took YouTube by storm, okay? And this stuff just happened like within a couple of weeks. And man, more power to him and his wife, man. You know, that's I think I don't know. Well, I said wife, but that's just a habit. But maybe I'm speaking into the existence. I can't remember if they were married or not, but I think so. But yeah, man, more power to them, man. You want to appreciate people like that set the bar. You feel what I'm saying? Like, they have people wanting to get on YouTube, and YouTube love it, okay? Because guess what? The more you promote YouTube, the more money they make. It's all about the ads. It's all about getting people back on YouTube, because TikTok took the world by storm, and everybody and their mama was on TikTok doing short form content. And what YouTube did, they put shorts on there, okay? They're trying to compete with these big companies, but now the Dante guy, I keep saying the Dante guy, but because I don't know him personally. Y'all know who I'm talking about. He was saying like, hey, do 15 or 20-minute videos. You know what I'm saying? Like, do 15 or 20-minute videos, and people are doing that. You know what I'm saying? Like, and the more you're on YouTube, the more you are away from the other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Like, the more you're on YouTube, the more you own this. I mean, the more you're away from you. I mean, the more you are on YouTube, the less you will be on the other platforms. And to be honest, TikTok might be gone in the next couple of weeks if they, you know, go through with the ban. So more people will come back into YouTube, starting a YouTube channel. And that's what he is saying, man. The people that have these small channels, you have to take advantage of the opportunity to get your videos pushed out there into the algorithm, man. Excuse me. Man, this C4 got me burping and everything. So you have to take advantage of that and get your videos pushed into the algorithm, man. And that's what I'm trying to do with this channel. I will talk more about YouTube if that's what YouTube want. I want to find out what they are promoting. And like I said, putting YouTube in your videos, things like YouTube, things like paid, things like monetize, algorithm, like things like that. I think you should put them in your title to help with your SEO. If you don't know what SEO is, it's search engine optimization. All that is just realizing that YouTube is a search engine, Google is a search engine, and that's all it is. So all you have to do is maximize your titles, okay? Make sure your titles have certain words in it, okay? Make sure you're saying the words in these videos. And some people say don't put the title of your video in your thumbnail, but hey, give it a try, man. Try any and everything that's out there, because you never know what may work, okay? So my biggest thing is trying to get this channel monetized. Like I say, I'm almost at 1,000 hours of watch time. Remember, you have to get 4,000 hours of watch time. I'm almost at 1,000, and once I get that 1,000, I have 3,000 to go. But that's not going to be hard, in my opinion, because if I'm doing long form videos, getting the watch time about halfway. If I do a 15-minute videos, getting about 7 minutes or so of watch time from each person, I think that will be really, really good. And then you could go live because they have the vertical format live too. You could go live, and then once you go live, break that live down into clips, okay? Take some of the clips from the live and make them videos on your channel. People can come back and watch them. And one thing about YouTube, I don't want you guys to do, don't never, ever, ever delete your videos, okay? Because these videos stay on YouTube forever. They don't leave. So I don't want you guys to go out there deleting videos because they can help you later on down the line, okay? So my thing is, like I said, to get this channel monetized, I want to have multiple channels monetized, which I already have 2 monetized on YouTube. This will be my 3rd channel, and I'm going to make videos every day. So don't think I'm going to go away. I'm going to pop up on your feed somehow, some way, and YouTube is going to push my videos out at one point. You have to think like that, okay? If you don't think like that, then you're doing this for the wrong reason. And another thing, don't come into YouTube thinking about money, because you're not going to make any money starting off. But YouTube made a way for people that have smaller channels to make money starting off. That's something that I didn't have when I first got on YouTube, okay? Because you had to have a certain amount of hours, watch hours, and subscribers. Now they got it broke down into sections where you can get monetized with shorts and things of that nature. We didn't have that. They got these affiliate links on here. So if you are affiliated with any type of companies, you can put those affiliate links in your videos and you can make money off that. So there are a lot of ways to monetize your channel, because you're not going to get the 4,000 hours really, really fast if you just starting out. Even if you do, you still got to get to 1,000 subscribers. So that's another hurdle that you have to cross over before you can get monetized. So the main thing is to stay consistent every day. Make this content, okay? Turn the camera on. Try to get these channels monetized like I'm trying to do. Like I said, I have 1,000 hours to go. A little bit, 3,000. I have roughly 3,000 hours to go. Now, I've been posting every day on a consistent basis since the end of last year, okay? Which, like last week or 2 weeks ago or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really trying to get this channel monetized, and I want you guys to help me, and I want you guys to help any other small YouTuber out there, okay? If you see this video on your For You page, please like the video, share the video, come in the comments and let me know that you have a small channel. People can click on your avatar right now, okay? People can click on that and they can subscribe to your channel. They used to didn't have that. Now, when you make a comment, somebody can click on your avatar and it will take them straight to your channel, and that way the person that click on it can subscribe to your channel. So that's how we are going to get our 1,000 subscribers together, okay? So if you come in the comments, make a comment, say, hey man, I have a small channel and I'm just showing support or something like that. If I see your comment, I will come in and subscribe to your channel. That's going to help you get as close to your 1,000 subscribers as possible. And then the next person do the same thing, so forth and so on. You have to think about stuff like that because it can help you out, okay? It's not like you're doing like me. When I first got my channel, man, I went on my Facebook page and I asked everybody and their mama to subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? People were subscribing to the channel, but I wasn't getting any views. Now I got my 1,000 subscribers fast because I was asking everybody to subscribe to my channel. But that's the wrong way to do it. I don't want you guys to do that because that can hurt you in the end. You're not getting any watch time. People are not genuine with the views, and it's not helping you. So we don't want to do that. We don't want to make the mistakes, but you are going to make some mistakes at the end of the day. But you have to try any and everything on YouTube to see what works. Once you see what works, then it's rinse and repeat. Like the Dante guy, I'm saying his name again. It's rinse and repeat with him. Now, he's just saying YouTube this and YouTube that. You can do the same thing. If you find a title that stick and people are searching for it and they find your videos and things like that. So pay attention to your analytics. Your analytics will tell you any and everything you need to know. If you don't know what analytics are like the back end of your YouTube studio, like where it tell you how many views you got, how much watch time you got, how do people find your videos, are the people subscribed or not subscribed to the channel that's watching your video. You got the age, you got the gender, you got all that stuff in your analytics. So make sure you are paying attention to your analytics so you can see what works. Now, I see what work on my channel, so I will try to do that more. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at some of my old videos, and some of my old videos, they got a lot of views because I was talking about certain things. So now what I'm going to do is revisit some of my old videos, try to make another one. You feel what I'm saying? So that's what I'm thinking about doing, and I want you guys to do the same thing. And you know, just make sure you're paying attention to other YouTubers, man. Shout out to Dante and his lovely wife, and you know, I appreciate him for getting on here showing you that it can be done. Okay, he's just recording videos in his car like I'm doing. You can do the same thing. Okay, so don't look at him and see that he's viral and think you can't go viral. Yes, your time is coming. You can go viral too. So I just wanted to stop by and talk that talk for a minute, man. Love those that love you, and I'm out of here like last year, y'all. Ciao.